Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and I'm making this one real quick to announce my LG Velvet giveaway. Now, in order to win this, all you have to do is leave a comment on this video, and when I do my full review, I'm going to come back to this video, and we're going to pick somebody from the comment section. All right, so let me show you what you're going to win. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes?
my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now if you watch my channel, you remember the LG Velvet. Let's unbox this one real quick. Woo! Check this one out. Now this is that Aurora Green. All right, let's do the smell test. This one smells like money right here. All right, now I don't know which one I'm giving away. When you leave a comment, leave the color that you want. All right, and then if you win, I'll give you the color that you want. But right now, I think the green is the dopest. Look how sick this is. But, not to be outdone, we got a new one. Now, this video is sponsored by me. All right, I ordered this on eBay a couple of weeks ago. Just got it in the mail. This is the sunset version. All right, hold on. Let me pop this one out. Of course, you know what you get in the box already. Usual books and shit. You got your plug, USB Type-C charging cable. Hold up. Let me do the smell test on this one. This one smells like Miami Beach. All right, sunset on Miami Beach, pre-corona days. Look at this one. Woo! Let's get a little wipe down. Check this out. All right, so if you win an LG Velvet, you get your choice between green or sunset. Not to mention, I will throw in the dual screen case, because what good is an LG Velvet without that dual screen case? You're gonna need that. Let's turn this on real quick. Bang! You're gonna need that dual screen just in case you want to rock YouTube and Instagram at the same time. All right, you're gonna wish you had the dual screen case. Anyway, LG Velvet giveaway. Leave a comment in the description if you want to win. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.